There's a couple birds we just got. Call them lovebirds. They're very cheap here. I think I paid $8 a pair. Yeah, I did. Wait, baby. Little girl wants to look at them. You see the bird? All right, let me take you over here and show you our chickens. We built this so they can run back and forth. There's a couple of roosters. And the hen's in here somewhere. I think she's right there. And another rooster. These are what they call 45 days. They're supposed to develop in 45 days. We don't feed them that much because if you feed them all the time, you might as well just go to the supermarket and buy it. It's a lot cheaper. And here's turkeys. I've got 6 of them, but 2 of them flew away. So what we'll have to do is cut their wings so they can't fly. And then over in here, I've got some small 45 days. I'll go show you those. Those are babies. This is awesome. I'll throw it on the bread, she'll give it to the babies. Oh, good. She eat one for her, she gives them to the babies. What you give it to them? Give it to the babies. Just pieces of bread. Here come them ducks. Run them off. Protecting them babies. Oh, get them. Get them. That was awesome. Protecting her babies. But those things right there want to eat all the time. That batch of 45 days, I mean, they are active. Always wanting to eat, real active. These over here seem to be so calm, and I mean, they just wait till we get there. There's one trying to get out. But they got different personalities for sure. All right, I gotta try to see if I can find my male goat, Abraham. Okay, the ducks, probably underneath this vehicle. That's our Samaritan Feet vehicle. I got 6 ducks now. Let me see if they're under there. Ah, there they are. They stand out of the heat. I don't know where the other 3 are. We'll find them. It's during, it's almost noontime, so it's hot here in the Philippines, so they in the shade. There's Sarah the goat, and I don't know where the male is. We call him Abraham. I'll find him. There's a few more of the animals that we have. A couple of hamsters. I love watching these things. Sometimes they are so funny. Oh boy. He's off to the races. And here's some fish, some fighting fish. I love these things. Got 3 of them so far. This one, kind of murky. I gotta get him a new cage. This is a blue one. There's a red one. And this one's kind of a turquoise. Oh, like a purple looking. Okay, he's off to the races. Nope, he's confused. I guess it's cleaning time. Hey, buddy. You're always digging down in there with your eyes closed. Somehow they got that rock from all the way over in that corner to there. And that's a heavy rock. Hey! Hey, bud! Hey, Charlie. There is one of my goats. That's the female. I'm not sure where the male is right now. She's just running loose, but she won't go anywhere. Call her Sarah. Here are pigeons. I don't know how many my son has now. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4. But he's got those things trained that we can go 500 miles away. And he'll let it go and they'll come back here. Okay, there's one more of my turkeys. But we need to clip his wings so he can't get out and fly. They're over there. There's 2 more of my chickens. 2 of our chickens. And let me show you these little babies. I just got these. They're real small. These are the small 45 days. You can see, where are they? Oh, there they are. So what we'll do, we got them on a cycle. Once these grow big enough, we'll kill them and eat them. Transfer these to that pen, and then we'll go buy some more small babies. It cost me 75 cents per piece, or it cost me 40 pesos per piece. So it just goes on a cycle, so we always have chickens to eat. Now we don't kill these roosters and the hens here because this is where we get our eggs from, so we have fresh eggs every day. But we'll let some of them hatch so we can have more roosters and more hens. That means we have more fresh eggs just to eat. Okay, that's the animals we got so far. Oh, I got one more to show you. Well, there's my other goat. I've been looking for him. Abraham. What are you laying down for, huh? All right, boy. Well, I'll show you the latest thing we got here. 4 little pigs. 2 boys and 2 girls. Well, here is updated pen built for the pigs. See them down in there, got a lot more room now. About 4 months they'll start making babies. Got 2 boys and 2 girls there. Alright, y'all, I'll see you next time.